Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're going to check out the ProtoArc EK01 Plus. Check out that little slim thing here. So for those who are not familiar with ProtoArc, they are known for their ergonomic workspace keyboards, or ergonomic keyboards. So you get a quick start guide. Looks like something in the envelope, not sure what it is, haven't opened it yet there, but looks like instructions. Yep, the user manual. Well packed right here. Comes with a USB-C. Wow, check this out. This keyboard is so beautiful. Jeez, it's like flat. Look how thin this thing is.